In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video on Behance. Start on your YouTube video page. Click the Share button beneath the player, then choose Embed. You'll see a box with an HTML snippet. This is the iframe code that tells Behance where to pull your video from and how to display it. Click Copy to grab the entire thing. Make sure you've selected the full code from the opening to the closing tag, because missing even a small piece can prevent the video from loading. If your video is set to public or unlisted, you are good to go. Now switch to Behance, create a new project, or open an existing one that you want to update. Once you are in the editor, position your cursor where the video should appear in the layout. Look for the Embed Media option in the Content toolbar. It usually looks like an embed or brackets icon and opens a field designed for media code. Paste the YouTube iframe code into that field, exactly as you copied it. Then click Embed. Behance will place the video block into your project and generate a preview. If you don't see the preview immediately, double-check that the code is complete and that you pasted the iframe rather than a shortened link. When the preview appears, you can drag the block to adjust its placement in relation to your text and images. If you want a crisper, larger player, you can customize the size right inside the iframe code. Look for the width and height values in the code and change them to width 1400 and height 926 pixels. Updating both numbers keeps the player balanced and helps your video look clean against Behance's grid. This is optional, and Behance is responsive, so your video will still scale on different screens. But setting a larger base dimension can improve perceived quality on desktop layouts. When everything looks right, save or publish your project to make the video live. Saving ensures your changes are stored, and publishing makes them visible to everyone who visits your project. After it's live, your audience can play the video directly on the page without leaving Behance, which keeps your presentation seamless and professional. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.